आसतु आज आम यही भिडियो 2021 बैच 1 टीजीटी आर्ट्स क्वेश्चन को डिस्कशन करबा। यार पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड करबा पई टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे रहिछि, सेटु जाई डाउनलोड करि परिबे। हम वीडियो टी संपूर्ण कंप्लीटली देखिबे, क्वेश्चन गुड को आलोचना करबा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 91, व्हाट वाज द नॉर्थ ऑफ द गंगोज इन बिहार कॉल्ड ड्यूरिंग द एंशिएंट टाइम? द राइट आंसर इज भाजी। Question number 92. The Ghadar Party initial named the Pacific Coast Hindustan Association was formed on 15th July 1913 in the United States under the leadership of, the right answer is option number B, Lala Hardayar. Question number 93. The grant contract signed for the permanent settlement is visited as, the right answer is option number D, revenue collecting right to Jamidar. Question number 94. The leader of the Bardoli Satyagraha was, the right answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 95. The largest number of inscriptions were inscribed by which of the Gupta Empire? The right answer is option number D, Kumaragupta I. Question number 96. A system of ranking government officials and determine their civil and military duty along with their remuneration is known as, the right answer is option number A, Mansadari system. Question number 97. In accordance to the Indian Constitution, the residuary power of legislature lie in the hand of, the right answer is Parliament. Question number 98. The soul of Indian Constitution is, the right answer is option number C, the preamble. Question number 99. Which of the following statement is true with respect of emergency provision? Statement 1 कहला, when a national emergency is declared on the grounds of war, it is known as external emergency. Statement 2 कहला, when a national emergency is declared on the grounds of an armed rebellion, it is known as internal emergency. The right answer is option number A, statement 1 true, statement 2 be true अछि. Question number 100. In which article of the Constitution procedure about creation of a legislative council in state has been described in? The right answer is article 169. Question number 101. The monetary value of an asset decrease over time due to use, wear and tear or ablutions. This is decrease is measured as, the right answer is depreciation. Question number 102. By the year 2022, India aimed to achieve the largest use of 175 gigawatt. What is the target use for biopower? The right answer is option number A, 10 gigawatt. Question number 103. In term of section 22 of Act, which among the following has the sole right to issue banknote in India? The right answer is option number C, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 104. What may the central bank do in order to encourage investment in the economy? The right answer is option number C, reduce cash reserve ratio. Question number 105. Which of the following are a part of Himalaya located between the Satluj and Kali river? The right answer is option number C, Kumaun Himalaya. Question number 106. The mining at Jodduguda is associated with. The right answer is uranium mine. Question number 107. The tilt in the axis of the earth is called as. The right answer is option number C. Question number 108. Map showing natural feature of the earth such as mountain, plateau, plain, river, ocean are called as. The right answer is physical maps. Question number 7. Which type of resource is the uranium found in Ladakh? The right answer is option number C, potential resource. Question number 110. Which mountain range which mountain range submerged the Andaman and Nicobar Island? The right answer is option number A, Arcaniuma. Question number 123. Dash his children, all his nephew and niece attend the function. The right answer is option number D, beside. Question number 124. The dash show us the direction of the wind. The right answer is option number B, bend. Question number 125. Our dash believe in strict discipline. The right answer is option number B, principal. Question number 126. He slept dash 8 and missed the bus. The right answer is option number A, till. Question number 127. The song was sung by a youth dash. The right answer is option number D. The direct speech, indirect speech. Rita said, rise above the storm and you will find sunshine. The right answer कौन है? Right answer is Rita said that if we were to rise above the storm, we would find sunshine. Question number 130. John said, do not worry about what you cannot control. Focus your energy on what you can create. The right answer is option number B. John said that we should not worry about what you cannot control. We should focus our energy on what we can create. Question number 130. Peter said, the moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. तो indirect कौन है? The right answer is option number D. Peter said that the moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. Question number 131. ତା ସାଥିରେ କାହାର ପଡ଼େ ନାହିଁ ରେଖାଙ୍କିତ ପଦଟି କେଉଁ କାରକ ଅଟେ? साथी रे गुटे केउ कारक तो राइट आंसर हो ऑप्शन नंबर सी यह तृतीया तृतीया 132 शांति एई शब्दर थिबा धातुटी किए तो राइट आंसर हो सम क्वेश्चन नंबर 133 गरीब लोकों को साहाय्य कर रेखांकित पद की प्रकार शब्द अटे गरीब गरीब गोटे विशेषण पद अटे क्वेश्चन नंबर 134 शोइला पुअर भाग नाही एठारे शोइला गोटे की प्रकार पद शोइला गोटे विशेषण पद 135 पंच पांडवों मध्य सहदेव पंचम पांडव अटंती रेखांकित पदटी की प्रकार विशेषण अटे पंचम पंचम गोटे पूर्णवाचक विशेषण अटे 136 लोक कर्म अनुरूप फल पाती उक्त वाक्यटी क्यों श्रेणी दर्शाओ तो राइट आंसर यह एक सरल वाक्य क्वेश्चन नंबर 134 बिलोईका अति चतुर अटे रेखांकित शब्दर संधि विच्छेदटी कौन हम तो राइट आंसर हो ऑप्शन नंबर डी बिल युक्त ओका क्वेश्चन नंबर 138 कष्टे मष्टे बंची रही अर्थ सूचाउवा रूढ़ीटी को चिन्हट कर तो राइट आंसर हो ऑप्शन नंबर बी डुके पी दंडे जी क्वेश्चन नंबर 139 ग्रामांतर रो व्यासवाक्य उल्लेख कर तो राइट आंसर हो ऑप्शन नंबर सी अन्य ग्राम ग्रामांतर क्वेश्चन नंबर 140 गाड़ी पेट्रोल ले चली रेखांकित पदटी क्यों कारक अटे तो राइट आंसर हो ऑप्शन नंबर सी करण कारक अटे क्वेश्चन नंबर 141 आयुष्मान उक्त तद्धित शब्दर प्रकृति प्रत्यय कौन है तो राइट आंसर हो ऑप्शन नंबर डी आयु युक्त मत क्वेश्चन नंबर 142 जे सत्य कहे से निर्भीक अटे उक्त वाक्यटी की प्रकार वाक्य अटे तो राइट आंसर हो ऑप्शन नंबर सी यह एक जटिल वाक्य अटे क्वेश्चन नंबर 143 विद्याधन उक्त समस्त पद की प्रकार कर्मधार समास अटे तो राइट आंसर हो ऑप्शन नंबर डी रूपक कर्मधारय समास अटे धनशाली शब्दटीर प्रकृति प्रत्यय कौन है तो राइट आंसर हो शालीन प्राचीन भारतर आदिवासी माने बोईतरे समुद्र यात्रा करुथिले रेखांकित शब्दटीर विभक्त चिन्हटी कर बोईतरे बोईतरे क्यों क्यों कारक सॉरी बोईतरे क्यों विभक्ति तो राइट आंसर हो ऑप्शन नंबर सी तृतीय विभक्ति धन रत्न उक्त पदटी क्यों प्रकार शब्द अटे तो राइट आंसर हो समानार्थक बोधक शब्द अटे क्वेश्चन नंबर 148 निम्नलिखित मध्य क्योंटी समुद्रर अन्य नाम नुहे तो राइट आंसर हो ऑप्शन नंबर सी सरसी निम्नलिखित काव्य मध्य क्यों भक्तचरण दास द्वारा रचित थिला तो राइट आंसर हो ऑप्शन नंबर डी मथुरा मंगल 150 नंबर प्रश्न निम्नलिखित कविता मध्य क्योंटा नंदकिशोर बल कृति अटे तो राइट आंसर हो ऑप्शन नंबर डी कनकलता एबे पेडागोजी एजुकेशन मैनेजमेंट बा इवैल्यूएशन लो क्वेश्चन गुड देखिबा क्वेश्चन 51 to measure the sample of the behavior which of the following tool can be used the right answer is option number C test question number 52 Ideally, evolution is to make. The right answer is option or B, prediction. Question number 53. The prevailing examination system has which of the following yields? The right answer is option number B, A, C, E. A, C, E. Question number 54. Which of the following type of evaluation is used to non-entry behavior? The right answer is option number A, placement assessment. Question number 55. Which of the following statement indicate constructive perceptivity of assessment? The right answer is option number C. Question number 56. The format of testing most suitable to assess students' ability to judge the validity of the statement is. The right answer is option number A. Question number 57. In order to correlated test score with teacher's estimate, a teacher could. The right answer is option number A. Question number 58. A teacher teaching decimal asks students to visit supermarket and compare price of household item. This is an example for. The right answer is option number A. Question number 59. Commonly, five types of validity are used in preparing tool. Which of the following is not one of them? The right answer is option number D. Productivity validity. Question number 60. According to National Curriculum 2005, which of the following is an achievement that the system of education has achieved? The right answer is option number A. Question number 61. Framework 2000 was initially specifically to address. The right answer is option number D. The problem of curriculum load on children. Question number 62. The integrated nature of growth and maturation is largely maintained by a constant interaction of. The right answer is option number B. Question number 63. Which of the following is applicable to the psychological development of children between the age 6 and 12? The right answer is option number C. Question number 64. Development strongly depends on language is one of the principles adopted in child development processes. This impulse that. The right answer is option number C. Question number 65. Which of the following is applicable to secondary and higher secondary students? The right answer is option number C. Question number 66. Discussion held by teacher with her students on way of improving the students' work refers to which of the following theory? The right answer is option number A. Question number 67. Development of fetus in mother's womb till delivery of fully formed fetus is referred to as prenatal stage. This is for 280 days. Question number 68. If three different kind of meat, cheese and bread and are given, a student can determine the many different sandwiches that could be cooked. The capacity related to the right answer is option number A. Question number 69. Which of the following learning theories suggests change in behavior due to the acquisition, reinforcement, and application of association between stimuli from the environment and observable response of the individual? The right answer is option number A. Question number 70. Classroom management is a function that requires a teacher to perform all of the following activity except. The right answer is option number D. Question number 71. The SDP will be prepared by. The right answer is option number C. Question number 72. As a school teacher, Sima is initial to. The right answer is option number D. Question number 73. Educational management as a field of study and practice was mainly started in. The right answer is United States. Question number 74. National Curriculum Framework 2005 emphasized on participatory democracy as one of the core of educational reform. An example that could reflect this is in school is. The right answer is option number A. Question number 75. One of the criticism levied on RTE 2009 was that it. The right answer is option number D. Question number 76. राष्ट्रीय माध्यमिक शिक्षा अभियान is a critical element to overall educational implementation because. The right answer is option number A. Question number 77. Many educational institutions charge their fees separately for the tuition and also for the relevant stationery material. The latter sometimes amount to a substantial amount. This pose a problem to. Right answer is option number C. Question number 78. Learning is development that comes from exercise and effort. Effort through learning, children acquire complication using their hereditary resource was said by. The right answer is option number A. Question number 79. A newborn bird's behavior is attached to the first large moving object. This is called as. The right answer is option number C. Question number 80. An almost reflex-like response to a statement like 7 into 8 is dash is an example of. The right answer is option number A. Question number 81. Cognitive theory emphasizes on limiting the pressure of reducing working memory. One of the methods to reduce information pressure is chunking, which is defined as. The right answer is option number A. Question number 82. Which of the following is true about class management of the elementary, middle and the high school? The right answer is option number D. Question number 83. A teacher reinforces the rules that forbid students ridicule each other, particular when they are in a discussion. Respect for one another high priority. Such reinforcement is an example of. The right answer is option number A. Classical conditioning. Question number 84. Formal learning is a reality of modern age. Which of the following statement best describe the need of formal school for the modern society? The right answer is option number A. Question number 85 ର question number 85 ର answer is option number A. Question number 86 ର right answer is option number D. Scaffolding. Question number 87. So your right answer is option number C. Question number 88. The right answer is option number C. Question number 89. The right answer is option number A. Question number 90. The right answer is option number D.